Hey guys, so in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to cut and DIY your own cropped shirts on your own and how to do them the right way, because I see a lot of people having cropped shirts, but they're disproportionate. They're like literally at a slant. You don't want that. We want to be looking good and having the proportions right, because there's a reason why you wear cropped shirts. I'm going to tell you that coming up. If you're new here, I'm the host, Styles McKay. This is the Style Show, where I'm going to be giving you a lot of style tips, lifestyle advice, and a lot more. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Let's get right into the episode.
Thank you for tuning in to The Style Show with your host.
Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to turn this into this. This is the way it should be. Now, there's a reason why you wear crop t-shirts, and that's going to first make you look taller in proportion, because your legs have a full length and fabric of the pants. Now, when the shirt comes shorter, it's going to show your full length torso. And two, it's just going to add a proportion that's going to make you look manlier and also have a little bit of style as well with it. Now, when it comes to cropping your shirts, first off, you want to take your time. There's no need to rush, because this is going to be the end of all. I've cropped many shirts before, and there's many shirts I've gotten way too high on that's crossing the line, if you know what I'm saying, a little sus. Alright, when you're doing this, you're going to want a few things. A pin just to mark the lines here, a good pair of scissors, and a line that you're going to use to kind of give yourself the marking point for the pin. Does that make sense? Like, you're not just going to want to use an imaginary line. You need two weighted items to hold the shirt still when you're cutting it. Now, anything in your house could be necessary. I have this box filled with stuff, and it's weighted, and then I have this yoga mat to hold the other end. We're gonna do this white shirt here, and I've had this shirt for a while, guys. I love this shirt. Appearance ain't always right, so you know, if you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. But I'm just gonna evenly space this shirt out here. So boom. Now you want to definitely make sure it's straight, because when you cut, it's going to draw a alignment. Now, this is where the weighted items come in. So you can see here, this is the bottom. Now we're gonna want to be just below this line here, and this is going to give us an even space. So first, I'm going to put the box up here so it's weighted, and I'm going to put my line. I'm just going to use my knee to kind of hold it down. And what I'm going to do, guys, this should really be self-explanatory. The only thing that you need that's going to be separate is a decent pair of scissors and the weighted items, because this is going to allow your piece to not get cut awkward. I can't stand when I see awkward shaped crop shirts. Like, it's like, dude, did you even try to cut it straight? I'm going to put my pressure on there. Cut through the shirt, guys. Now, my scissors are pretty good, so I should be able to just slice through this really fast for the sake of the video and for the sake of, making it good. I'm going to go slow, because there's no point in rushing. I see videos of people cropping shirts, and you can tell in person. Now I'm gonna stop right here because the slack came off because I was pulling. Now I'm just gonna readjust. Actually, I'm gonna switch. Now, if you guys have any weighted, home weights, I would use that. My foot down as the weight, and just slowly cut. There's no need to rush, because you're just gonna mess up. Stretch it out as you're cutting, and you should have a really good straight cut, honestly. Probably be better. And then I want to swinch it out, and that's the cut right there. I don't know if you could tell. You could tell. Process is to do this again for all the other shirts you have. So we're gonna do a speed ramp, and I'll show you guys the after coming up. Let's do a quick little speed ramp and get through this.
All right, again, so we're just gonna repeat the process
for the next 2 shirts. I love this oversized AC/DC, vintage tee that I have. It's a 2X, so I didn't mind cropping it for the experimental sake of this video. Next, I have this oversized, kind of like button-up light blue shirt that I thought would be a cool aesthetic. I went ahead and sliced off a little bit of the sleeve here. I'd recommend you do this too, just to add a little bit more of that, cut material. And then again, here is the look. I like how they came out. This is me just going ahead and, kind of looking and seeing if they really came together the way I thought. Honestly, this came out a lot better than I thought. I love this shirt, so I was really, really careful about how making it too short. And I believe too, making the crop at a perfect angle makes it look better. When it is too short, it's just like, bro, we get it. You know what I'm saying? But when it is at that perfect length, right above the zipper, but right at the end of the belt, this is the perfect length for a cropped tee and to just have a normal outfit. Now, this one is my favorite out of the 3 we did today, and that's just because it's just a different look, right? Because it's a collared shirt. So now we have this loose, right? And now it stays together. We still have that cropped look, but we now have a double layering. And because we cut the sleeves out of here, there's a little bit coming out, adding just a whole new little look to it. That's just gonna add some extra texture and detail. So this is what I'd say is a superior way to cut and add style to your outfits while spending no money, is go ahead and get into your closet, see what we can cut, what we can transform, and what we can turn into new pieces to get new style and improve our look. If you like this video, guys, make sure to leave a like down below. Comment down below any more tutorials you would like to see me do. I actually was really impressed by how this one came out. Adding both of them together really gave a good look that I didn't actually expect. This is a fire fit. Like, I'm really like, this really is a good look. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I'm really digging it. I'm gonna have to actually take this out somewhere. My name is Styles McKay. I'm the host of The Styles Show. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace. Make sure you click these videos right here. The one in the red is the one YouTube thinks you'll like the most. Check it out.
Thank you for listening to the short interruption brought to you by Styles McKay.